Long days, repetitive tasks, and tight deadlines can make even the most dedicated employee feel like their contribution is lost in the hum of the factory floor. It's a familiar scene, machines clanging, the smell of oil in the air, and the constant rhythm of production that rarely pauses. In this environment, it's easy to feel like just another cog in the wheel, where your individual efforts can seem insignificant against the backdrop of a relentless production line. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. My philosophy: great leadership can transform a manufacturing plant from a monotonous grind into a place of purpose, collaboration, and innovation. So, how do we achieve that leadership in a traditionally top down industry? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on effective leadership strategies for the manufacturing world. We're going to explore why leadership matters more than ever, delve into different leadership styles, and uncover the tools that can make you a manufacturing leader your team will truly follow. First off, let's talk about why leadership is so crucial in manufacturing. It's not just about barking orders and keeping the production line moving. Effective leadership is the cornerstone of a thriving manufacturing operation. Strong leadership permeates every aspect of manufacturing, influencing everything from efficiency and safety to employee morale and innovation. Take operational excellence, for example. Strong leaders foster a culture of operational excellence within manufacturing organizations. They prioritize efficiency, quality, and continuous improvement, inspiring their teams to streamline processes, minimize waste, and maximize output. They set clear objectives, monitor performance metrics, and implement strategies to enhance overall operational efficiency. Effective leaders understand lean principles and strive to eliminate bottlenecks and inefficiencies across the production chain. Now, let's shift gears to innovation and adaptability. In today's rapidly evolving manufacturing landscape, innovation is key to staying competitive. Manufacturing leadership encourages innovation by empowering employees to explore new technologies, processes, and product ideas. A strong leader creates a climate where calculated risks are taken and new ideas are welcomed. This adaptability enables firms to respond quickly to market demands and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Safety and compliance are also paramount in manufacturing environments. Effective leadership prioritizes workplace safety by implementing robust safety protocols, providing necessary training, and fostering a safety-conscious culture. Leaders ensure compliance with industry regulations and standards, reducing risks associated with accidents, injuries, or regulatory penalties. By championing a safe and compliant work environment, leaders protect employees and uphold the organization's reputation. Now let's talk about developing and empowering talent. Leadership plays a pivotal role in nurturing talent and building strong teams in manufacturing. A skilled leader invests in employee development, providing training opportunities, mentorship, and career growth paths. By recognizing and empowering workers, leaders cultivate a motivated and skilled workforce. This enhances employee engagement, reduces turnover rates, and improves overall team performance. So, how do we translate this into effective leadership strategies? Here are some practical approaches you can implement in your manufacturing environment. First and foremost, build trust and transparency. At the heart of any successful team lies trust. When employees trust their leaders, they feel comfortable taking risks, voicing concerns, and going the extra mile. Transparency is the cornerstone of trust and involves open communication and clear decision-making processes. Hold regular team meetings to discuss goals, challenges, and changes. Maintain an open door policy and be accessible to your team. Recognize and appreciate employee achievements publicly. Next, foster a culture of safety. Manufacturing environments can pose potential hazards, and effective leaders prioritize safety by creating a culture where everyone feels responsible for preventing accidents. Lead by example, always adhere to safety protocols, and invest in comprehensive training programs. Empower employees to speak up about safety concerns without fear of reprisal. Regular safety inspections are also crucial to ensure safe work practices are followed. Now, let's talk about empowering your team. Micromanagement stifles creativity and initiative. Instead, delegate tasks based on individual strengths and skill sets. Provide autonomy and encourage ownership. Employees who feel trusted to make decisions become more engaged and invested in their work. Recognize and reward employees who take initiative and develop innovative solutions. Investing in continuous learning is another key strategy. The manufacturing landscape is constantly evolving, and leaders who invest in continuous learning for themselves and their teams ensure that their workforce remains adaptable and skilled. Stay up to date with industry trends, conduct skill gap analyses, and encourage cross-training. Create a culture that values continuous learning and encourages employees to share knowledge. Championing work-life balance is crucial in today's world. Modern workers crave a healthy balance between their professional and personal lives. Consider offering flexible work arrangements or generous paid time off. Promote on-site wellness programs to foster healthy habits among your team. Leading by example is another powerful strategy. Employees are more likely to follow suit when they see their leader embodying the values and behaviors they expect. Be approachable and visible on the factory floor. Demonstrate a strong work ethic and hold yourself accountable when mistakes happen. Diversity and inclusion also play a vital role in manufacturing. A diverse workforce brings a wider range of perspectives and experiences, leading to more creative solutions. Offer unconscious bias training, diversify your recruiting efforts, and create mentorship programs to support underrepresented groups in manufacturing. Data-driven decision making is essential in today's manufacturing landscape. Invest in data analytics tools to collect and interpret data from your processes. Use this data to empower your team and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Finally, build strong relationships with your employees. Get to know their strengths, aspirations, and challenges outside of work. Simple acts like remembering birthdays and actively listening to their concerns can go a long way in building trust. Now, let's explore what leadership styles work best in manufacturing. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but some styles resonate well in manufacturing environments. Transformational leadership inspires employees to transcend their own interests for the good of the team. Situational leadership adapts to the maturity and competence of the team. Democratic leadership prioritizes employee participation and decision making, while servant leadership focuses on the needs and well being of employees. Coaching leadership develops the skills and capabilities of employees. Effective leaders often exhibit a blend of different styles depending on the situation. They can be visionary and inspiring while also being adaptable and supportive. The key is to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each style and leverage them strategically. What tools enhance manufacturing leadership effectiveness? There are several tools and technologies that can streamline operations, improve communication, and boost productivity. Enterprise resource planning systems integrate different functions into a unified platform, providing real-time data and analytics for informed decision-making. Advanced analytics and business intelligence tools allow leaders to analyze data for trends and optimize resource allocation. Collaborative project management platforms facilitate seamless communication among teams, enhancing transparency and accountability. Internet of Things devices enable real-time monitoring of machinery performance, while CAD and simulation software aids in product design and optimization. Quality management systems maintain high product quality and compliance standards. Finally, virtual reality and augmented reality tools are revolutionizing training and maintenance in manufacturing. In conclusion, effective leadership in manufacturing is about more than just keeping the production line moving. It's about creating a culture of trust, safety, innovation, and continuous improvement. By implementing these strategies and leveraging the right tools, you can transform your manufacturing environment into a place where employees feel valued, engaged, and motivated to contribute to the organization's success. Remember, great leadership can turn the hum of the factory floor into a symphony of collaboration and achievement. So, let's embrace this challenge and lead with purpose.